investors. Just like to say that for everyone.
Merry Christmas, Glenn. How's it going?
Merry Christmas, Haxie. Yep, good. Oh, we've got Simeon. I've not seen Simi for a while. Maybe get a question in later on, Simi. So yeah, I think it's Ogier who's joining us today. If you're in, just raise your hand and then you'll come to the top of the list and I can unmute you. We've got a minute to go here. We'll just let everyone get in to the VC. And we'll be starting shortly. We've got Ace T has his hand up. Ace T, are you part of the Farmarok cash team?
Yep. Nice to meet you. And also Orlando is our boss. He's also going to raise his hand soon.
Okay, great. So are we just waiting for Ogier, is it? The founder and CEO? Oh, here's Ogier. I can see him in the list now. Oh, he's gone. There we go. Hey, Ogier. How's it going?
Yeah, hello. Everything fine? You?
Good. Yeah. Nearly ready to start. What would you prefer to be called, Ogier?
Call me just Orlando.
Orlando. Okay. Okay, we're on the hour, so yeah, if you're ready, Orlando and Ace T, I can start the record and introduce you, and we can go into the Farmarok Cash project.
Yeah, sure, I'm ready.
Okay. Welcome to the Wellcoin Talk community. I'm Glenn, your host. Today we have joining us Farmarok. Here to speak about the project is the founder and CEO, Orlando, and we've got Ace T as well on the team joining us today. So yeah, we've got the lottery system to go into. You're gonna have weekly, monthly draws, the up and down game, and the tokenomics and everything else around the Farmarok project. But first, can you give us an introduction with your background and experience, guys?
Yeah. Should I switch also to the video or just the voice?
It's up to you. Yeah, if you want to play your video, that's fine. Yeah, or you can just do it in the VC. Yeah.
Okay, I will share it for short so people can see that it's me. It's a real person behind the project. Nobody should be worried about. We have 2 KYCs as well. So my name is Orlando. I'm the Farmarok founder and CEO. Was born in Croatia, raised in Germany, Switzerland, lived in different countries, different continents. Right now we are live streaming from Romania. I moved there a few years ago. Got to the crypto project like 4 years ago. And in the last 2 years, I'm standing behind the crypto project. So it's completely different view to be in front of crypto project as an investor and to be on the backside of the crypto project as a developer. That's me.
Great. And I don't know if Ace T was wanting to give us some background, or we can just move on.
Of course. Hi everyone, I'm also going to switch my video shortly. My name is Ace T. My name is Angel. My Telegram username is Ace T. I've been taking part in the crypto for like 4 years now. I've been running projects with Orlando. First, we started as advisors, and then we launched our own project, which we've been working on for more than a year now, I would say, or close to 9 months, maybe. Let's say 9 months, because that's where we started paying people to actually work on the project. A little bit before crypto, since now 9 years, I'm a business consultant. I've worked with top companies like Heineken, Siemens, and you can check all of this in our socials. I'm really glad to be part of this community, and let's aim for a great AMA today. Merry Christmas to everyone who is celebrating, and I can't wait to get into this.
Awesome. Thanks very much, Orlando and Ace. So yeah, if we can just have an introduction to the Farmarok project for the community investors, that'd be great.
So, okay, the Farmarok project is, let's say, how HD likes to say, play to ace. Can you go with the first one?
Yes, of course. So we started designing Farmarok with the concept of stake to play, because you have many lotteries out there, but you didn't have a lottery when you actually don't lose anything by participating. Our whole concept is revolved around our lottery staking system, in which you are required to stake tokens in the value of 1 BNB for 14 days. By doing this, you get one lottery ticket to participate in a draw, which is fully automatic, secured by Chainlink, and by 3 different contract audits only for this thing. And you're also going to get 10% of the staking that you put, plus the staking itself on top. Doesn't matter if you win or lose. Everybody wins, because it's basically staking that also allows you to play for the lottery. Next to this, we have an up and down betting system, which we are also going to show, because our DApp is live. We pre-built, pre-created, pre-designed the whole strategy around the whole Farmarok idea before we went live. Everything is live. You can check out the DApp. We have the up and down betting system, in which users can play against each other. And we also have the third and what we think is the thing that will bring the volume, which will make the lottery bring a lot of interest and eyes on this, because we have a referral protocol which you can use, and you can earn frog tokens. And we are going to get also into details more later.
Okay, great, AST. Yeah, so let's go into the lottery system. So it's 1 BNB entry fee, and from the tokens weekly draw, you're going to get 80%, because that's built into the buy and sell tax of the 2.5% lottery tax you're building into the project, and then 20% that's left goes over to the monthly, because you're going to have a monthly super jackpot draw as well, which will be 2 BNB of the frog tokens. And is that monthly draw a monthly stake, or is it 2 weeks and a 10% reward in the token is the same?
Like you said, there are 2 types of lottery drawing. The first one is for the first 3 weeks in a month, and this one you have to lock Farmarok tokens in value of 1 BNB to be able to get your free lottery tickets. After 2 weeks, you can claim your tokens back with 10% staking on top. And there is also the monthly lottery draw, where the lottery pool is a double of the weekly one. Let's say, for example, $1 million trading volume every day. In a weekly lottery pool, there will be $140,000. It's everything in USDT, so you don't get the lottery winning in native tokens, because as a winner, you will go outside the PancakeSwap and you will sell those tokens to get cash out. This one will affect also the chart. This is because the tax is completely in USDT, so basically free money, straight cash. And the monthly lottery draw will be $240,000 that you can win, based also on a trading volume $1 million each day. Sure, because there is a double amount that you can win. There is also, you have to lock your Farmarok tokens in a value of 2 BNB. To explain this one a bit, you can lock multiple tokens. So basically, you can get multiple lottery tickets. The more tickets you have, you will see in the app also there is a dashboard what will show you your winning probability in percentage. So how many tokens you have, you will be able to lock more tokens to get even more lottery tickets. Your probability will rise. This one will be interesting for people, let's say, who really are do understand the project, do understand also the mathematical calculation behind this one. So they can calculate how much do I need to invest, how much percentage will go up, what is the lottery pool. Is it safe for me to invest, let's say, $10,000 to buy even additional tokens to be able to lock them? Because maybe I will get my winning probability up to, let's say, 95% of it, and there is a lottery pool of $140,000. So yes, this one will allow me as an investor to buy even more tokens, because I know there is for sure this size of the lottery pool that I can win, minus the investment, I still make a lot of money. And minus the investment, I mean, you still have your tokens after 2 weeks back. So basically, you just accumulated tokens for yourself, get your ability to get even more lottery tickets to be the winner. And it will be interesting, I mean, really for those people who do understand the complete concept.
Okay, great, Orlando. And how does the lottery be drawn? You know, how do you make it random? What system do you use?
We have also the chain link. I forgot the name. Anyway, chain link random generated numbers. So basically, when you lock your tokens, you will get also some random generated numbers, and those numbers will be collected at the end of the pool and will be sent to the chain link. Chain link will choose one winner, choose the correct numbers, and those numbers will be sent back to the smart contract of Farmarok D-app. And you will get your token. You will get your lottery rewards, the USDT ones, straight distributed to your wallet. We have a D-app 3 different smart contracts. We have one main smart contract for Farmarok token, where we have the tax of 5%. That one cannot be changed lower or higher. It's a basic, simple smart contract, transparent for everybody, nothing complicated. And those 3 another smart contracts that we have, they do interact with the D-app, that everything goes smoothly, that everything goes safe. There is no possibility for me to cancel, let's say, those lottery rewards to somebody else to be sent to his wallet, because everything is automatically. And for that one, so people can see how safe everything is, we have completely in total 5 smart contract audits. Everybody can see the audit, that everything is completely safe. I need also to mention that, let's say I will have car crash and whatever, the project will continue to go because there is no need of human to interact with some settings or something like this.
Okay, I see, Orlando. And it's a weekly draw, but your tokens are locked for 2 weeks. So I'm thinking if you've only got 1 BNB invested, then for the second week's draw, you're going to have to buy another 1 BNB of the tokens.
Yes, because the lottery ticket, the first tokens that you locked for a certain week, this one is valid only for this week. If you want to like to play next week also the lottery, you have to lock again amount of the tokens in value of 1 BNB or how many BNB you would like to invest. Lock.
I see, Orlando. But it's quite a lot of money for some investors. What about small investors that might want to stake or get involved with the lottery? Are you looking at maybe doing a smaller lottery? And if you for smaller investors for say $50, $100?
The thing is, we at Farmarok created a concept where we are giving almost 90% of total supply to the community. Isn't possible for us to create everything, that everybody can jump in and take a part of it. You can take a part of it as to be investor. You can accumulate through the time that you will get enough Farmarok tokens in value of 1 BNB that you can play also the lottery. People should understand not only the lottery will benefit. Let's say the lottery will benefit in a way people who has more money to invest in. But those people who invest more money in to participate in a lottery, they will additionally need to buy also Farmarok tokens. As they buy Farmarok tokens, the price goes up. So also the even small investors, they maybe don't have enough tokens for the lottery, but still the price goes also continuously up. So everybody is winning. I will compare this one, let's say you are flying all the year with first class companies, and sure, you get also as a client, as a VIP client of them, also certain benefits that as a economical class you don't have it. And people need to understand, like I said, we are giving so much away, you have also to do something for it. Isn't everything, just for free? I mean, it is for free, but you have to do something to get it.
Okay, Orlando. And that 10% staking reward, is that for the 2 weeks? So you'd get 110% of your tokens back
Yes.
when it unlocks. Great. And is there any tax in and out of the sort of lottery system? Any profits built in for the project to use for marketing or buyback and burns?
The thing is, there is no burns because, like I said, 90% of the total supply is locked only for the DApp, for the lottery, for the staking, and also for the referral. The referral program is something that people who don't have that one BNB can make something out of it to get free tokens. I will come later to it. So there's always possibility to get much more of it, as you can see it on the first look. You just need to discover the project to understand the white paper.
Okay, great, Andrew. Yeah, let's go into the referral system and how it works for investors. I think you get 50% for the first referral, and you still get money as well, 25% for a second referral. And does it
Exactly
go into third and fourth referrals? Do you still get something?
So the thing is, I will switch off now from video to the screen, so people can see also the DApp, how this one look like.
Okay.
Can you see it?
See that? Yeah.
You can see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfectly. So this is the DApp. Let's come first to the Farmarok link to the fair launch we have right now, the tokenomics partner, and here is also the button Farmarok DApps. And then you get another window open. Here you will be able to see also the pool in the weekly lottery drawing, how much it will be. Now we just see zeros because the project isn't live. We don't have the data of how many USD dollar is worth one Farmarok tokens. When the project is live, we will introduce the live data into the smart contract, and then this one will be completely automatically. You will be able to see here also the price bot, the locked tokens, your staked tokens. Like I said, the project isn't live, so we don't have the real data inside. And here is the referral one. You will be able to generate your own referral code, as you can see it here. This one you share with somebody else. That somebody else goes to our DApp in a section referral. This user interface is, people will be familiar with this one because it's almost the same like a Bankerswap. Just you have to introduce here the referral code. And then you go here and type how many BNBs you would like to invest in Farmarok, and then here will be the final number of the Farmarok tokens that you will get. Here is also the slippage tolerance. You can put it manually also. I will recommend 5, 6, 7%. There is a 5% tax, but in those high trading volumes that you need also to increase your slippage. And then you will get your tokens. So if you, let's say, invest now 10 BNB and you got 10,000 Farmarok tokens using my referral code, then I will get automatically also to my wallet transferred. Like I said, everything automatically transferred 5,000 Farmarok tokens. Every time you use my referral code and you do buying to the Farmarok DApp, not through the Bankerswap, because in Bankerswap you aren't able to introduce the referral code. So you will make a purchase, you will get your tokens, but the person who gave you the referral code won't get anything. Now, let's say you connect your wallet to the Farmarok DApp, you do generate your own referral code. This one you share with somebody else. Somebody else, let's say, gets again 10,000 Farmarok tokens. In this case, you will get 5,000 and I will get 2,500 transferred in my wallet. The third person who buys, it's everything, the first and the second person. There is no third person. I mean, I will get benefit only from the second person. You will be the first one, I will get 50%, and then the second person, you will get 50%, I will get 25%. If there is, let's say, the third person, then the third person will get 50%, the second one will get 25%, and I won't get anything because it's only on 2 stages, let's say. This one should create also you as investor who doesn't have, let's say, enough money for that one BNB to participate in a lottery to get again 10% staking on top. Will give you possibility if you know people who will like invest in the project and you will go out and shout out to the world, okay, there's a nice project, Farmarok, it gives so much away. Instead to, I don't know, invest in some shit coins, maybe you should invest in a real use case project like Farmarok, and you can then benefit from it to lock your tokens that you got for free because you got them for free. Then you can lock them for the lottery draw. So there is one way to make also additional income.
I see, Orlando. So that's great for like people maybe in developing countries that haven't got the one BNB. They can go out there, promote the project. They don't have to hold any tokens. But then if they generate a referral code, then they would get the tokens of the person that they've introduced to the project.
Exactly. Just I need to mention also one thing. Free sounds always, nice, free. It is really for free, but you have to do something for it. To be able to generate your own referral code, it will need to be also for you holding certain amount of Farmarok tokens. Because you can imagine if everybody, literally everybody will connect their wallet to the D app and to generate the referral code, there will be no income for nobody. So you have to do something. You have, again, to hold a certain amount of the tokens. We still didn't decide what amount it will be. Sure, definitely it won't go to the one BNB like a lottery, but also it won't be for free. And still, what I'm saying for free, you don't pay us to be able to generate the referral code. It's your investment that you have to hold in your wallet, and then you will be able to generate the referral code. This one you share with whoever you want. If people buy, you will make even profit more of it. You just need to hold this certain amount of the tokens in your wallet. Everything else, you're free to lock on the lottery for 10% staking. You are also free to sell it. To sell it, because maybe people will think now, okay, 75% free tokens, 50% that you get, 25% is another one who gets, people will dump the chart. No, we thought also about that one. And those free tokens to the referral program, you can accumulate to the and then the second month, weekly, they will be released 10%. So after 1 month, every week you will get 10% that you can sell off. And this one should prevent also the chart dumping down. And there is also, you have to buy 100% of the tokens. 75% will be distributed to somebody else as a free tokens. But there is still the difference of those 25% that should generate buy pressure, the higher one than the sell pressure.
I see, Orlando. And have you been approaching like influencers on YouTube to maybe do some promotions for you, and they can generate their own referral codes, on the videos that they can talk about the project?
The thing is, we have now also the marketing campaign running with tier 1 crypto influencers. There was also smaller channels, those people who DM you and say we have the best marketing offer, but you never heard of them. Not like a tier 1 channels. And we did approach them, but they just didn't understand the idea, or they just looking after the money. They don't care about the project. We told them, you know what, we are able to generate for your wallet exclusive referral code. This one you can use for your audience, for your community. You can benefit much more from it than me paying you, let's say, $100 for some free AMA that isn't free, because the AMA is free, but $200 or $300 should be rewards. You guys, as a big community, doesn't have, I think, such a huge rewards for the members participating in an AMA. And then I told them, okay, you can use this one because you have audience, like you said, there are investors. You can represent the Farmarok tokens. You get as the first one for free the exclusive Farmarok referral code. Do invite them and you will get a lot of money. They didn't accept it. I also didn't accept it, to do marketing with lower than, let's say, maximum tier 2 crypto channels, because I think it's a waste of money. There was also certain YouTubers that I did approach them also the same way, but everybody is asking for money. Like I said, we have really huge marketing campaign running right now. This is the third AMA that we have today. There are still 2 AMAs for tomorrow. They all will follow up the fair launch and also the PancakeSwap launch. After we get launched on PancakeSwap, we will get even a bigger marketing campaign. So yeah, at the moment, we didn't pay any YouTuber for the promotion and also to give him the referral code.
Okay, that's fair enough, Orlando. Maybe they'll take you up on the offer after the launch, and the lottery's a success and doing really well. But also, you've got the up and down game. Can we go into details for investors, you bet on the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you can bet every 15 minutes. Would that be with the Farmarok token as well?
Yeah, this one will be only with native Farmarok tokens. You will also now, like you can see on the app website, it's everything in BNB. Later on, it will be Ethereum, BNB, and BTC. Have also to mention that we can add to the betting system up and down whatever smart contract we wish. So there will be community who will say, okay, like I like Cardano so much. Can you please put it also Cardano in there? If there is a majority to say, okay, yes, we can add also the Cardano smart contract inside. People can bet on this one as well. It doesn't have to be also famous. Well-known coins. It can be also another project smart contract that had launched yesterday, and people can bet against it. You have also, let's say, to lock your tokens. There is no staking at this point, but you have to lock your tokens because if you lose, then your tokens will be transferred automatically to the winners. We don't take any profit out of it. There is just a betting fee that you will pay once you place the bet. It will be 0.005 BNB. I don't think this is something much. And the complete income from those betting that you gain, it's everything for you. There is no tax, there is no nothing. And the thing is, you need to get exact price of the, let's say, Ethereum. You just need to think, okay, in the next 15 minutes, it will be going higher. And even if it's 0.0 something, it goes higher. And there was somebody who said, okay, it will go lower. You will get the tokens that he locked, you will get them as your gain.
I see, Orlando. So it's every 15 minutes. You can't like bet daily or weekly or hourly as well on the price.
Yeah, every 15 minutes.
Okay, I see. Let's go into the Pink Sale Fair launch. I think there's going to be a bonus as well for people to get involved with the tokens. I think they'll be released after a month, and also they'll get a 50% discount on the first lottery draw for the fair launch investors. Exactly.
There is also, like you said, the fair launch giveaway. We have different race stages in the fair launch. If you reach between 50 and 500 BNB in a fair launch, every single fair launch investor, doesn't matter the amount that you invested, 0, 1 or 10 or 100 BNBs, they will all get 20% more tokens on top. People do misunderstand this one because there are so many people who are not familiar with Pink Sale, with the fair launch, how everything goes. Your initial investment that you put in a Pink Sale fair launch, and let's say you invested 1 BNB. Once the fair launch is finished and 1 BNB provides you, let's say, 1,000 Farmarok tokens, those 1,000 Farmarok tokens you can claim straight away. And those additionally 20% that we will give you on top, those tokens will be vested. You can get every week 10% starting the second week after PancakeSwap launch. Let's say if somehow out of miracle, we have also here between 4,500 and 5,000 BNB in the fair launch, we will give away 200% more tokens on top. So basically, when the PancakeSwap launch is live, you're sitting already on 3x. Sound now great. You will be able to sell it. No, you won't, because we have to prevent also the chart, also the upcoming investors, the project itself. So you get again your initial tokens, but those 200% tokens on top, you will get them again 10% each week, starting second week from PancakeSwap launch. So basically, we are giving really so much away, but in this way, everything calculated that we do protect the chart, we do protect also the investors.
Great. And then it'll only be 0.5 BNB for the first lottery draw if I participate in the fair launch. Is there a minimum to contribute to get that 50% reduction?
Yes. Everybody, doesn't matter the amount. Let's say you did invest really just 0.5 BNB. You will be able to get 1 lottery ticket, because 1 lottery ticket is a value of 1 BNB. So if you invested, let's say, 10 BNB, instead of locking your token to be able to get 10 lottery tickets, you will be able to get 20 lottery tickets. So this is also for the fair launch investors.
So you still put the one BNB in, but you'll get 2 tickets. Is that how it works?
Exactly, but this is only for the first lottery draw, for the first week, for the first week lottery draw. The second one, then it's everything completely normal.
Yeah, see. And you've got like the 5 biggest fair launch buyers there as well. They're going to get some of the money from the fair launch, is it?
Exactly. We have 51% is the liquidity, 49% is dev. So from those 49% remaining tokens, 2% will be raised between 5 biggest fair launch buyers. This one will be distributed within 24 hours. To their wallets. Also, all fair launch investors, we will collect their wallets, and they will be all whitelisted for the Farmarok D app. So we will put their wallets into the smart contract. That smart contract knows, okay, he is a fair launch investor. He should get, instead of 1 lottery ticket, he will be able to get 2 lottery tickets.
Let's see. Well, and have you had a smart contract audit? I think I saw there was one on the website.
Sorry, didn't understand the last question.
Have you had a smart contract audit? I think I saw there was one been done on the website.
Yes, there is an audit report. That one on the website. It's only for the Farmarok token itself. We can see also it's everything done by a contract checker. Also, the contract checker did develop the app. We work very closely with them. We know each other for a long time. And you can see also here in audit result, Farmarok token has passed the smart contract audit and fully meets the SAFU contract criteria. We don't have the SAFU badge on a pink cell because of the tokenomics, but people who understand the smart contract, who understand what means an audit, you will be able to see here we passed completely full SAFU criteria. I will switch also now to the Telegram. Just a second, to Farmarok. Sorry, I have to find it. So if people type in audit, there will be pop up the message with different smart contract audits. There is a lottery staking smart contract audit. People can see the audit from there. People can see also the smart contract address. There is also prediction referral contract, Farmarok token security audit, and so on. So everything is transparent. 4 different smart contracts do operate the Farmarok D app, the Farmarok project. We have 5 different smart contract audits. We have 2 different KYC. One is with the pink cell, another one is with cookiecell.io. I like always to say, pretty much for me, and also I'm following the projects every day that get launched on a PancakeSwap, on PinkCell, cookiecell.io or Gempad. I think we are really the safest project out there.
Okay, great, Orlando. And what's the marketing plans, say, for the first quarter around the Farmarok project? I know you're going to have like free marketing in a way through the referral system, so the community will go out to get more investors in that way. But what's the team doing with their marketing plans?
Sorry, didn't understand.
Yeah, what is your marketing plans for the first quarter going forward? I know you're going to have like free marketing in a way because you've got the referral system, so some of the community will go out and bring investors in that way. But what's the marketing plans for the team?
The thing is, we will introduce Farmarok on a global level. Everything depends also how much money we will have, because people should understand that they are investing now in complete finished product, not an idea on a white paper, and then we do launch the project, then we do collect your money. With that money, if it's enough or not enough, or if we're going to continue with the project, maybe we will develop also the use case that we promised on the white paper. No, we did develop completely everything upfront, everything with our money. We are talking here about tens of thousands of dollars that we have invested so far in this project, and then so far not even a single dollar out of it. The project is a community-driven project. I have to mention also not only Farmarok, but especially Farmarok, because of those high referral tokens that people can get. But people has to be united. People has to promote promote Farmarok outside the Telegram group. They need to the same thing as people have done with SafeMoon, with Shiba Inu, with Doge, and so on. Because Doge didn't gain popularity only because of Elon Musk later on. It gained popularity also because of the community. Community was united one, and then later on they did get also the attention from Elon and so on. Sure, we will do marketing as well. But like I said, if the community isn't united, if community doesn't understand the concept, if the community thinks only about, buying and selling, like the first things what will happen on PancakeSwap launch, there is no marketing that will help you to sustain the project on the long term. So the community is to be, the united one. They need to push this one beyond everything else.
Okay, I see, Orlando. And can we go into the tokenomics? I think you were saying there 90% is put aside for the lottery and for the community and the referrals system. So basically, how many tokens is it going to be eventually? But it will take time for the tokens to reach the maximum.
So here's the tokenomics. We have the complete total supply of 1 billion tokens. Only 1%, or let's say 10 million tokens, are going for the fair launch. Why that low number? Because you need to understand it's 70% on each buying that you are giving away to somebody else. 75%. If we will go with, I don't know, maybe half of it to the fair launch, we will get a low price on a single token. We will have also just 500 million tokens left. And this one will be used very rapidly, maybe within a few hours. So there is also the mathematical calculation behind why we did go on only with 1% for the fair launch, because we have then here down, you can see 895 million tokens are locked forever for the referral and staking program. The distribution completely to the DApp smart contracts, so nobody can interfere with this one. And once people start to buy, the price will go higher. And if the price goes higher, those 895 million of tokens can basically last forever. Because, if the price of the token is, let's say, $10, then you won't be able anymore to buy 1 million of those tokens. Because, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get that, Orlando. That's great. And let's open it up to community investor questions. Let's see, Syed, you got a question for the Farmarok team? Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Glenn. Have a few questions. So I was wondering if there is no lucky winner in the weekly draw, will the prize pool going to be accumulated to the next week draw, or will there be a guaranteed winner in the each weekly draw?
Okay, nice one. No, there is always guaranteed winner. There is no maybe somebody will win. No, there is always a winner. When you play the classical lottery, or let's say another crypto projects lottery, they have the same way. You need to buy lottery ticket. If you won, it's okay. If you didn't won, you lost your investment. It's completely opposite of it. So there is always one winner. We have also, because we are collecting 2.5% from the tax for the lottery drawing, but 80% out of those 2.5% trading volume goes for the weekly trading volume, and then those additional 20%, remaining 20%, will be accumulated to the weeks and go straight to the super jackpot pool, where you will get 3 times those 20%, where you will get also the last week accumulated tokens inside, accumulated tax inside. So basically, this is what it makes the super jackpot a double amount as the weekly one. But there is always a winner.
Okay, understood. Okay, I was going through the white paper, and it's mentioned that all the process is done automatically through your DApp, ticket registration and the win distribution. So I was wondering, will the distribution of the prize token will be instant, or do the winner has to wait some time for in order to receive the rewards?
Okay, another good one. Thank you. No, this one is automatically and is instantly. So it's the same like, you are transferring BNB from one wallet to somebody else, and it takes a couple of seconds to be everything that you will get also the transaction ID as a successful one. This is the time that you will wait for the winning of the lottery to be transferred to your wallet.
Okay, got it. So I also want to know that will winner going to have the maybe choice or option of selecting the cryptocurrency like USDT, BNB, or the native token as a reward, or will they only be getting the USDT?
You mean now as a lottery or as a staking?
As a lottery.
No, as a lottery, there will be only USDT because we don't want to make it in native tokens. If there will be, let's say, really high trading volume, you can imagine $140,000 in native tokens, and then you go to PancakeSwap and you do sell off. What happens with the chart? So no, this is also a security measurement also for the investors. Only USDT.
Okay, understood. Okay. Also, will you be selling the native token to buy the USDT for the distribution, or how will that going to work? If you can briefly explain this.
Didn't understand why should we sell native tokens, because the distribution of the lottery is to the tax. We have 5% tax, and 2.5 are going automatically to the lottery pool.
No, you didn't get my question. So I was saying that as the winners will be getting the distribution in the USDT, so I was wondering how will you be getting the USDT? Will you be selling the native token in order to buy the USDT? How will that going to work?
Like I said, with the tax, 2.5% of the tax.
Okay. Thank you for clearing it up. Okay, final question. So as there are a lot of crypto lottery and betting platforms available to the users in the crypto space, so I was thinking, how will you be going to be competing with these lottery platforms, and how are you planning on standing out from the rest?
Okay, the classical question. The thing is, how many tokens do we have ending with the name Inu, Shiba, Elon, Doge? So many. And people still didn't got tired of it. And nobody asked, why are you better than another Elon Shiba project? As Santa Inu Shiba, Elon Musk, whatever project. You need to understand fully what is Farmarok about. You need to read the white paper. You need to understand the concept, and then you will know for yourself why is there a difference. But to make it a bit easier, there is a project, also lottery concept. It got launched 3 months ago. I don't want to name the name. I don't want to point the finger at nobody. And after 3 months, they still didn't develop the D-app. They will release the app, I think, in the next few weeks. The thing is, you will get there. You need to buy, not to lock your tokens to get free lottery tickets. You need to buy lottery tickets. If you won the lottery, it's everything fine. If you didn't won the lottery, your investment is gone. Okay? This is the difference. And there is a difference. The lottery, if you won the lottery will be in native tokens. Like I said, what will happen if you win $140,000 in Farmarok tokens itself? If you go to PancakeSwap and there is enough liquidity, you will sell it off, the project will dump. So this is the difference between me, Farmarok, and that another project. That another project, till the D app is live, they are doing some raffle giveaways, like 200 people need to make investment of $50. Then the team is collecting $10,000. $5,000 will be shared with 5 different winners. Everybody will get $1,000. The project is zero tax project, nice. But the thing is, they force you to buy tokens in value of $10,000. They will sell off $10,000 to be able to get $5,000 in their pocket, and $5,000 will be shared with the community. I'm also a member there. People still don't get the concept of it. But like I said, people need to do their own research. And then you will understand why Farmarok is complete, unique, and standing out project.
Understood. Thank you so much for answering all my questions. Over to you, Glenn.
Yep.
Thank you for the question, Sayed. Let's move to Aisha. You had a question for Farmarok. Go ahead.
Yeah. Thanks, Glenn. I want to know, will there be any limit on amount of tickets a user can buy per wallet for weekly lottery and super jackpot?
Hi. No, there is no limit. This is because we have also the dashboard that will show you what is your probability in percentage to win the lottery, and you are free to get so many lottery tickets as you want. If you don't have enough tokens, you will be, let's say, forced to buy new tokens to lock them to be able to get even more lottery tickets, but there is no maximum.
Okay, got it. As you mentioned that users will also be able to bet on if the price of famous assets.
Sorry, I didn't got this one.
As you have mentioned that users will also be able to bet on if the price of famous assets go up or down each 15 minutes. I was wondering what fee will be charged when betting and if users be able to place multiple bets within 15 minutes.
The only fee is the one-time fee when you place the bet, and this one is in a value of 0.005 BNB. So I don't think there is a huge fee that you have to pay as additional one. And everything else, if you won or if you lost, it's completely 100% your investment. Lost one. You did lost because you was betting that, let's say, Ethereum will go up, and somebody else was betting that Ethereum will go down. And in the case Ethereum goes down, then the tokens in your wallet will go to his wallet because you lost it. But there is no additional fee that you have to pay. There is also no transaction fees.
If users place multiple bets within 15 minutes, then what fee will be charged?
So every time you place the bet, there is a one-time fee of 0.005 UMB. That's it. Every time.
Okay. I was also wondering, will you be adding more lottery games like various scratch cards, slots, spin games?
The thing is, the only thing besides the prediction up and down, it's completely unique. Sure, if everything goes well and the community do adopt Farmarok on a global level, we will continue to develop to upgrade the project. We have already a few ideas what to upgrade, how to do it. But this one has to be also the part of the community. The community needs to adopt this one to push it also forward. So we will be able to develop further the project. But everything what we will do on top, it will be also some unique cases. Like I said, the betting system up and down isn't something unique, but everything else, what we have developed right now and what we might be developing on top in the future will be complete something unique.
All right. Okay, last thing from my side. I was thinking, will users be able to buy BNB and Farmarok token directly on Farmarok platform using credit card? And will your lottery platform support fiat withdrawals?
So at the moment, nobody will be able to buy directly with a credit card. We have spoken already with a company that we told them about Farmarok, still not launched, and this is something that we left for let's say the first quarter next year. If everything goes well, there might be possibility to make a payment directly with a credit card. And we are working also on this one that you can make cash out also directly to the credit card.
Okay, understood. Thank you. Thank you so much for answering.
Welcome.
Thank you for the questions, Aisha. Let's move to Western Beast. You had a question for Orlando at Farmarok. Go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Glenn. Hi, Orlando. Okay, I wanted asking first. I saw a very nice storyline on your website. The fact that you talked about the financial system being collapsing. And I think that's where you drew inspiration for the project itself. So I wanted asking, is this based on a storyline, or do you really think that the financial system is on the brink of collapse or on the downturn?
Ace, you was the editor of the science fiction story. Are you still here?
Yes, I'm still here. Yes,
please.
of course, I will give you the idea. So, as you know, in history, financial systems they collapse. Before we had this, let's say, value of money like dollars, currency, etc. There was something else like a gold standard. People were trading goods. For example, you give me bag of potatoes, I give you bag of peanuts, or etc. And in 80 years from now, 2015, in this year it's a very interesting year because that's when this rotation is going to rotate again. So that's where this story was inspired for. Basically right now, also in these days, in these times, there are financial assets that go down, as we saw it, Sam Bankman-Fried and the whole FTX saga, the whole Luna saga, all of these things. It made us, because I personally, as an investor, I lost money in Celsius, I lost money in FTX after that. So I wanted to. We also with Orlando, we had the idea to create a project where everything is fully secured and transparent, locked, so not one person can have control over this whole idea, this whole concept. Same like in Bitcoin. In Bitcoin, not one person can change it. In Ethereum, you have Vitalik Buterin who can press some buttons and Ethereum can become something completely else. With Farmarok, we wanted to design it, and we have designed it in such a way that not one person has the power over everything. It's a financial system that people can utilize and use in order to earn money, be it through lottery, be it through betting, be it through referring other people. It's a financial system that we've designed, and we think it can really change how we think about earning money. Hope I answered your question.
Sounds good. Yes, yes. I'm clear on that. I would like to talk about the prediction up and down. I also saw on your website. Where do you generate your charts from? Is it generated by your team, or do you generate the up down charts on from a third party source?
It's we don't generate the charts. It's through the smart contract. If you go through it, it's connected to the live data, which is sourced through the most reliable sources like TradingView, like Binance, and for example, in times of volatility, when you have like big weeks on Bitcoin, for example, 1,000 up or 1,000 down in 1 minute, in such volatile times, maybe it's not going to be the exact same match, but in times like now, where you have a more stable, let's say, charts, it's going to be what you see in our chart is going to be the same that you see in Binance, in Kraken, in Coinbase, etc.
Okay, sounds good. And that's also clear. Okay, my final question. I wanted also asking, these names that you mentioned can allow interaction through some kind of API to integrate these prediction models. For example, I can connect maybe a bot that I got from someone I created, and it will predict it to a reasonable amount of accuracy. Would you be allowing this kind of prediction API integration into your project?
I wouldn't say for now. We have to also speak to the developers because I'm not sure you can connect with the API like this through our contract. We have to check this to know for sure. But I would say that what we also can do with the prediction is we can tailor it specifically to another project. So, for example, if tomorrow we find a project that wants to do the same thing, we can do it for them, and they can utilize the same, let's say, visual interface through our DApp. But it's not going to be with Frog. It's going to be with their own native token, so they can drive some utility quickly to their own tokens.
Okay, I get that. I'm sorry. One more thing caught my attention. I would like to talk about your referral program. I'm seeing here on the statement on your website that users who add new investors through our D app referral program will get 50% bonus. So is it only your D app that is exclusive to the project, or are there other avenues that people can make referrals excluding your D app?
I will leave this one for Mo.
The thing is, I didn't understand the last part of the question. Sorry.
Okay, I'm seeing here on your website that users who add new investors through our DR referral program will get 50% bonus from whatever the amount the referral buyers invest using your referral code. The first question here is that do you have a D app? What do you mean by D app? And is there any other way that people can bring the referrals in, maybe like through a normal Web2 website?
No, the app is completely Web3. As you can see now, I don't know if you follow the screen. You can see it also on the screen how this one looks like. You have to press the button here, then you will get your unique Farmarok tokens. Farmarok referral code. You can change this one how many you want. This one do interact directly with the smart contract with your wallet. So basically your wallet is whitelisted when somebody introduces this code on a blockchain. The smart contract will know, okay, you need to get 50 or 25% of the tokens. Those referral codes cannot be faked. If this is the question, I didn't understand.
Yeah. I think you got it. It's clearer now. I have a few more questions. I'll be asking them directly in your Telegram group. I wish you guys the very best, and I hope that the project stays bullish onward. Over to you, Glenn.
Thank you.
Thank you for the questions, Weston. Let's move to Venice. You had a question for Orlando or Ace T. Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, Glenn. I have a couple of the questions for Farmarok. Okay, I was wondering that how do you plan to restrict the users from not cheating in the up and down game? Like if someone from one account predicts up and down from another account, whatever the outcome is, he will end up winning the prize from one account. So do you think you can restrict this kind of activity for up and down game?
Okay, let's say something else. This one won't work. Maybe people will try to do it. They're completely free to do it. Because if you are the one wallet, if you are wallet one and you go with the prediction down and then you are again the wallet two, same person with the prediction up, you have to lock on both sides tokens. If you won, if let's say wallet one wants, the wallet two have to pay out the price of the wallet one. And this is also the inverse thing. So there is, you can play with it, but there is no benefit out from it.
Okay, understood. And I was also wondering, do you have any plan to educate the users that how they can read, analyze the charts and have an educated guess for up and down game instead of gamble on the platform without knowing anything about the charts?
The thing is, we aren't, let's say, education project. We aren't a financial advisor. We give you the complete tool to do whatever you think it is. We aren't able to tell you, okay, you should go this way or you should go that another way. You have to take this responsibility, this decision completely on your own. You need to understand those charts. You need to understand how this one moves, what means the candle and so on. I honestly don't understand them. I think mostly of them just draw some lines. When I see the crypto rover on Twitter and people do invest just because he drew some lines, I go really nuts. I go crazy because usually it happens the opposite. So you need to have your, your own instinct.
Okay, understood. And as there will be one BNB, and I think it is a huge amount for small investors that want to participate in the lottery, or as you mentioned that there will be only one BNB for as a entry fee that people can stake and get a participation for the lottery. But I think is there any plan to also launch your own NFTs that people can stake and get a chance to claim lottery tickets? This way, I think you can use fractional NFT concept to let small investors to take part of that NFT and get their participation in the lottery for percentage they are holding.
Okay. When we started about Farmarok concept, the lottery one, we thought also about NFTs. The thing is, NFTs, there is one project who has NFTs involved in this one. You have to have certain NFTs or whatever, and then you get your tickets. I'm not sure how this one works. The thing is, it's just useless paying of fees to playing with NFTs. Those NFTs, people do overvaluate the NFTs because it was the era of NFT, but I think the NFT will drop down rapidly in the next few years. Also, if you see the Bored Ape from 1 point something million dollars to, I don't know what was the last price, I heard something like $60,000 or whatever. So you understand that those NFTs, it was hype at the beginning because it was something new. There was no use for Farmarok to get also NFTs inside because I don't see them something as useful. And because you want to play the lottery, but you don't have enough tokens to get locked in on value of 1 BNB. There is also the referral protocol that we developed, especially for those kind of people that if they don't have enough money, but maybe they know somebody who like to invest in a project like Farmarok, and then they will get a possibility to gain Farmarok tokens without be self as a huge investor. And then you can lock again those tokens free instead to sell them.
Yeah, I agree with you. And one last thing, as your soft cap is 10 BNB and approximately 150 BNB has been raised, and few hours are being left for the fair launch. So what is your expected amount of beans that should be raised in order to launch the project? Because I have seen a lot of projects cancel their launch when they don't raise the amount of beans they had in their mind. Did you get my question?
Sorry, I was talking but didn't unmute myself. Sorry. I think what we have collected till now, we are good to go. I hope also that we are doing much better prior to the final minutes of the fair launch. I have to say also something else. The more BNB we collect in fair launch, the higher rewards will be for the investors. Once, because they will get a certain amount of tokens on top. And secondly, because we will have enough money to get even higher marketing campaign. I would like to say also something might be sounding impossible for somebody, but if enough people will understand from the beginning what is Farmarok about, if we raise at least 2,000 BNBs, there will be marketing going on that you never saw it in the last few years.
Okay, thank you so much for answering all my questions.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much for the questions, Venice. Unfortunately, we're running out of time today, but it's been great speaking to Orlando and Ace from the Farmarok project. If you're interested in lotteries, there could be a lot of money to be won because half of the buy and sell tax goes into the lottery draw. So if you want to check out more, we've got the socials in the main chat. As we say, Whalecoin Talks for education and research purposes. We recommend the community investors check out the website, the white paper. And if you have any questions after the AMA, join their official socials. Like I say, they're in our main chat. Thank you very much for coming today, guys. It's been great speaking to you.
Thank you. It was really an honor to be here with the community to answer their questions, to talk about their concerns and so on. I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas to everybody who is celebrating this one. I hope I see the mostly of them also in Farmarok Global Telegram group. And guys, as per you, I hope we will get soon second AMA.
Okay, thank you very much, Orlando. And when's the fair launch? Does that start tomorrow?
The fair launch is outgoing. I think it's now something less than 24 hours. Wasn't looking at it, but the launch, PancakeSwap launch itself will be within 24 hours when the fair launch is over.
great. Well, I'll finish the record and send over a copy for you to share with your community. I'll send that into our main chat for any investors that couldn't join the call today. Take care and have a great Christmas too.